Welcome to this tranquil A-frame forest cabin, a retreat where architecture and nature merge to create pure comfort. Surrounded by lush tropical greenery and the gentle flow of water, this design celebrates biophilic principles, inviting light, texture, and natural rhythm into every moment. The open deck, warm timber structure, and serene landscape come together to form a peaceful escape for the mind. At Vista-Forge Studio, we craft spaces that inspire relaxation, sustainability, and a deeper connection to nature. Take a breath, slow down, and immerse yourself in the calm of this forest sanctuary.